Those who trust us appreciate our great geostrategic location. In the last 2 decades, we've also proven ourselves as a trustworthy business partner. Technologically advanced, sustainable, and innovative products helped us boost that trust and made us one of the fastest growing CEE countries. As well as a valued member of leading international associations. Trust in cutting-edge, sustainable and innovative products established our companies as global leaders in niche markets. We've become an important R&D player in the region. Because we know that innovative business needs innovative people. Who have a talent for creating value. Our open, stable and competitive FDI environment, recognized by many global companies. Starting a business is fast and simple. Apart from pro-business climate, Slovenia is a perfect environment to work and live in. Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.